Tiny world, tiny world, tiny world.
Today we will study how many planets are in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system, each unique in its characteristics. Mercury, Mercury. Venus, Venus. Earth, Earth. Mars, Mars. Jupiter, Jupiter. Saturn, Saturn. Uranus, Uranus. Neptune, Neptune.
Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icons for more videos.